Hey, I just got to, Mark Centerline Systems, I got to shoot a real quick part 2 to the breakfast, not boondoggle, the breakfast bonanza, right? So again, to the gentleman whose video this originally is, this recipe that I saw, I'll have a link down below. It's not somebody I normally follow, it just pumped up or just popped up in my feed. But I just finished making it, and I realized I forgot a couple things in the first video. So for the hash browns, I just took a Yukon Gold potato, peeled it, grated it down, rinsed it a bunch of times to get the starch out of it, pressed it dry so it's really good and dry. So I did that. I had a green pepper. Now I like eating a green pepper just as a snack, so I cut the ends off and I salvage all that stuff. So there's a whole bunch of good green pepper even on the end. So I just used the ends of the green pepper, like 3 mushrooms, potato. I really wish I would have done an onion. It would have been good to caramelize an onion, but I just got to show you how this turned out. I haven't had a bite yet, but this is looking really good. And so I'm just one guy. I don't know if you can see that. Here, I'll kind of try to manipulate this a little bit. There, that's 2 huge servings, right? 2 huge servings of what I can just already tell is some really awesome breakfast goodness. So give me a second here as I manipulate that and get that back up. There, that should be good. Come on, flip over. There we go. All right, hey, so I will put a link to the gentleman so you can watch his video and get the recipe from him. I did what he said. I just kind of made it my own and mixed it and added some stuff to it. I'm going to add some hot sauce and probably some ketchup, a little bit of salt and pepper, but looks really awesome. Get out there, try something new, challenge yourself, learn something, and just get out and get it done. And if you fail, well, pick yourself up and try again. So on that note, again, I got to get to eating, and then I got to go and do a little bit of turkey hunting. So keep thinking. That's me making that noise. I was like, what the hell is that noise? Hey, you know the deal. Reach out anytime. I'll do the best I can to help you out. Until then, keep thinking, keep moving, never quit. All right, everybody, be good. Woo!